Hello everyone, Mike here. Take 5, take 6. I don't know how these YouTube video people do it. This is crazy. The purpose of this set of videos, and there are going to be several of them, is to show you how to work locally if you want. We're going to show you how to install R in RStudio and how to get it so you can do markdown documents and PDF files on your own local machine. But it takes a little bit of work, not too bad, but a little bit of work to do so. And you don't have to. Working in the cloud's fine. A few people lost work or had computers frozen during the midterm. And we were able to fix everyone, and it was a little bit of a hassle, but everyone got through it fine. But if you want to be absolutely safe, working local is always the best way to go, but it requires a little bit of a setup. I'm going to show you how to do it on a PC. If you have a Mac, talk to the teaching team. I can tell you who to talk to on our teaching team who are Mac experts, and they can get you set up if you have any problems. You have to download two programs. The first is R, next is RStudio. So I'm going to show you how to download R. You open up a browser and you go to R CRAN in Google, just R space CRAN, and you'll see R for Windows, Mac OS. So we're going to do R for Windows because we're doing a PC. Download R for Windows, and that's it. It's going to download. Ideally, you have a relatively quick internet connection. Hopefully, not many people are playing Fortnite on campus when you're doing this, so the internet connection is not too bad. And it always takes a little bit to finish. So we'll say open once done, and it'll open the installer. And this will be the installer for R. We'll put R in the machine. Then RStudio is really what's called a GUI, G-U-I, a graphic user interface, and that runs on top of R. So after we're done with this, we have to download RStudio. And just to show you, we can actually start that download. We want to download RStudio is what we would type in here, and we'd go to the rstudio.com website. This company is actually in town. They're down by the waterfront, and might have them come into class sometime. And for that, we want to go to Products and hit RStudio. And there are two versions. The desktop is what we want, and then we want to download RStudio Desktop. And choose your version. We want the free version, of course. Choose your platform. Are you doing it on a Mac? Are you doing it on a PC? What are you doing it on Linux? So we have a Mac. We're going to choose. I'm sorry, we have a PC. It's late at night. Oh, and here's the R for Windows setup. So let's do this right now. We'll come back to this. We're going to download that also. So we're going to do two things at once. Here's the setup for R. We're going to say OK. I don't know what it's saying. I want a desktop shortcut. That's kind of cool. And go, 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 go. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, come on, come on. Come on. Ooh, you know, running a marathon, you sort of hit the wall, Heartbreak Hill. Going slower, going slower. You can do it. You can do it. This is why we train. Yeah, you got it. Oh, cramping up. Just, running out. Just massage it, running out. Come on. You can do it. Come on. When it's done, you'll have some icons over here called R. And when it's done, it's just downloading a lot of stuff behind the scenes. Oh, it's so exciting to watch right now. Boom, 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 do. Oh, almost done. You can do it. Okay, final kick. Kick it home. Bring it home. Bring it home. Bring it home. Bring it home. A lot of you are probably watching this like at 3 times the speed, so I'll talk very slow so it sounds fine. Oh, we're all done. And there we are. We have R installed. This is base R. This is just from the console. It looks like regular console R. We're going to type something in, see a graph. Does no markdown, can't do anything really nice with PDF files, but it's base R. So you have that sitting here. Now let's go back. We went to rstudio.com, products, and we downloaded RStudio. So this is all downloaded now. And now we want to install RStudio. That's going to go through the same stuff. Excuse me. Do you want to install? I do. I don't know what it's doing, and it's the same. Oh, here we go. And it's just installing all this stuff behind the scenes. See, this is why we like working in the cloud, because there's no software installation to do. It's a lot easier, and it's slowly going through everything. You can do it, little green thing. I know you can. I have faith in you. The little green thing that could. Oh, look at you go. Look at that. Oh, boom. Wow. That's kicking some butt and taking some names there. That's going really good. Okay. You can do it. Oh, what happened there? Why are you slowing? Why are you slowing? You can do it. Ah, we're done. And I didn't get anything on my desktop for that. Let's go and see. Oh, there's our studio. I'm going to put one on the desktop. And this is our studio. You don't really need these. You can delete those if you want. Just doing the icons. Our studio is what you really need. And when you double click this, and hopefully it'll work because I have the font sort of weird on this machine. It's not my machine. And here we are in Basic RStudio. So this is what you're using. Look, looks like Basic RStudio there. You go hist, rnorm 100, and you're good to go. So now you're in RStudio. However, as is, you can't knit and make PDF files. There's one more thing you have to do, and it takes 5 to 10 minutes. That'll be video number 2. So hopefully this got you going. You now have RStudio down on your desktop, Mac or PC, and you can do markdown files. You can do markdown files. You can't knit the PDF yet. That will be video number 2.